Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect cup of hot chocolate. Now for this, you're going to need 5 things. You're going to need a 10mm spoon, a mug, cocoa powder, some boiled water from a kettle, and finally, I like to add a little milk in there as well. So first, get the cocoa powder and remove the lid like so. Grab your 10mm spoon and add around 2 heaped teaspoons into the mug. 1 and 2. Good. Put the cocoa powder back and then grab your boiled water. Carefully pour the water into the mug until it's about 2/3 full. Put the water back and give it a good stir. Beautiful. Next, grab your milk, and I've gone for semi-skimmed here. Remove the lid and top off the mug with some milk. Put that lid back on, and finally give it one more stir. There you go, guys, the perfect cup of hot chocolate. Now don't forget, if you like this video, you can subscribe to Chris Fix right here. If you like Car Throttle, you could subscribe to them as well. And also, don't forget to check out the Car Throttle shop here. And you can watch more 2 guys and 1 car right here. Stay tuned!